Okay, first things first, you must have a Spotify account, and this is a free account. So all you could do is just type in Spotify account, go on their page. You could choose sign up for Spotify, and then it gives you these options: Facebook, Google, or an email address. Once you have a Spotify account, it's totally free. The podcasters.spotify.com page, and we're going to click login. And I'm going to choose Spotify for podcasters. We don't need the other things else. Click it. I actually chose my Google account. And here is our first page. Okay, now I already made a podcast, but I'm on the home page here. Okay, the first thing you should do is you're going to choose new episode. Okay, and don't get distracted here. We're going to record right on Spotify, so you're going to choose need to build an episode. You're going to choose record or edit. Okay, now it's going to ask you what kind of microphone in. I have a headset on, so I could choose this. You could choose whatever one that you have here. And then we're going to choose record now. Okay, here is where you could start recording your podcast. Make sure that you have everything written down. And then once you're done recording, you could click on stop recording. Okay, now today is August 15th. Okay, once you start recording, it's going to process your information here, but it's also going to have all of the other recordings that you made here. You could always add these in. Now you could change the name of this. I could say testing podcast. Okay, hit enter. And then we could choose save episode. That's what you want to do first, okay? We're going to come back and edit it. Choose save episode. It's going to ask you what do you want the name of your episode to be. You could name it. I'm going to put mine in for testing. Testing. Publish date. You could do it now or choose at a different time. We're going to skip the polls, skip the Q&A. Customize this episode. Feel free to put in the season number, the episode number. Is it a full trailer or bonus, and is it clean or explicit? And then you could head on over to Canva and make a new episode image here if you want to. We're going to choose save as draft right now. Okay. Now, as you could see here, this is our draft, but we don't have any audio here. So we're going to choose add audio, and you could see here, this is everything that we've done. You could see here I did some on February 9th. I'm going to add this, add to episode. This is the episode, right, that we did right here. Now, that's, if you hear it, okay, here is where you could start recording your podcast. If you would like to record more audio, you could choose record now. This is your library of recent recordings. You could also add a Spotify song. Choose Let's Do It, and you could type in some of your favorite artists. Hit search, and it only gives you 30 seconds. So if you wanted to do Glory Days, click on it. And you could choose the plus sign, choose add to episode. You could also add transitions by clicking on the pink box. Look at all these transitions here. If you click on them, if you want to add a transition right after or before, you could just click here, add to episode, and then you could preview. Yes, make sure that you have everything written down. And then once you're done recording, you could click on stop. Is Isn't that cool? And then you could just click on Save Changes. But remember, all of your audio information, that what you've recorded, is already here. And then you just click on Save Changes. So now if we go back to episodes, we're going to see this is the one that we did today. Okay, we could click it. We could either edit the audio. Okay, we have all our information here. And we could even edit this by clicking on the pencil. Now, once you're done with everything, you could make changes on this page. And then you would choose Submit Episode for review.